welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite Mary J Black. I'm Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic we'll be visiting one of the best and nothing but the best reviewed makeup artists in my city. Yeah guys, for a what? For a wedding guest transformation, northern wedding guest transformation, guys. You know what? It's gonna be light. Trust me, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be light. And Miss Muhammad here, your gorgeous baby girl, Miss Muhammad in the building. Baby,
wallahi, I
no go pay. We'll be the one to have this transformation on. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Muhammad's YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, let it go viral. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to share baby girls a love. It's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. Guys, right now we are heading to the best reviewed makeup artist in my city, yeah guys, and a lot of you all love seeing how our outfit look like. So let me show you all how my outfit look like. A lot of you all drop in a comment like, Miss Muhammad, when showing Miss Mary J Black's outfit or when showing your own outfit, please let it be shown completely. So this is how my outfit looks like for today. There's nothing so special about the outfit. Let me just bring the camera a little bit down like this. So guys, this is how the outfit looks like. Nothing special, just very simple as always. You all know I love putting on all this kind of outfit. This is how the hand looks like. It has this kind of a bend here like this. Can you see that? That's how the hand looks like this. You can put it without a turtleneck, but you all love, you all know that I love putting on a turtleneck. So this is how the outfit looks like. This is how it looks like. It has this very round neck. Then it has these two comfortable pocket right here that you can just walk like boldly. Now apart from that, let me show you all how Miss Muhammad looks like. Her outfit look like the bubble girl.
Nothing special. Yeah. And to be honest, guys, I so much love this outfit.
Yeah, just take off the veil. Let them see how it looks.
Take off the veil. It's an off shoulder, straight down.
Yeah.
I hope I'm not straight fitted down.
So guys, you all should please comment down below and tell me if you love how our outfit look like or not. So guys, we are heading to the best review makeup artist in my city, yeah guys, for a northern wedding guest transformation. And believe me guys, it's gonna be late. But I have one problem with this very studio. Maybe the lighting is not that enough, so I'll try the best I can to set up a lighting. So pardon me if the makeup looks kind of, you all know what I'm trying to say, because of the lighting of a thing. So you all should please stay tuned. Yeah, we got you all. We love you guys.
So guys, let me just see what happened yesterday. I, Mary J Black, and her man were gisting yesterday, and he was like, let me give you a nickname. And I was like, no, I have a nickname, Mix Mama. She said, no, he wants to add something to it so that it will make it look so spicy. He said, Mix Muhammad, aka Wallahi I no go pay. And I was so shocked. I was just laughing. So you know my name. He said, and that's my slogan always. I would say, Gaskiya I will not pay. Oh, Wallahi I no go pay. So guys, add that to my name. Yeah. Mix Muhammad, aka Gaskiya I no go pay.
That's Miss Muhammad intro from now on. Henceforth, we've changed her intro in her channel. Her intro is Miss Muhammad
Gaskiya I no go pay. So it's your favorite. He said, I will be like, it's your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad Gaskiya I no go pay. And I love that. You all should comment down below if you love that nickname.
Yeah, just comment down below what you think about this very new Miss Muhammad's intro in her on her own channel. Like Miss Ma is still your favorite girl, Miss Muhammad Gaskiya I no go pay.
It's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad Gaskiya. No, it's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad aka Gaskiya I no go pay.
Repeat that again.
It's still your favorite baby girl, Mix Muhammad aka Gaskiya I no go pay.
It's funny guys, it's funny actually. So you all should please stay tuned because like guys, I love entertaining you guys. I know I love entertaining you guys. So very soon we'll be traveling to Adamawa State for a lot of boom what review transformation to Adamawa State and Gombe. These two states we'll be visiting very soon. So you all should please comment down below. Tell us the kind of content you would love to see in Adamawa State and Gombe State, to be precise. So you all should please stay tuned. We love you guys.